I've been down so low, people look at me and they know. They can tell something's wrong, like I don't belong. And staring through a window, staring outside, they're just too happy to kill tonight. I wanna be like them, but I'll mess it up again. Tripping my way in, I got a kicked outside, everybody's so. Sometimes I feel so full of it, just can't spill it out. It's uncomfortable to see. I give it away so easily, yeah. But if I had someone